What's up guys, welcome back to K.D.P programming. This is part 15 of our SQL fundamentals, and in today's video we'll actually be talking about the NOT operator. So if you haven't watched the previous video, you can find the link to a full series in the description box below. So without wasting any of your time, let's get straight into this. The NOT operator is used in combination with other operators to give the opposite result, or also called the negative result. So what happens is, if we look at the query that we have on screen right now, in part 12 we discussed the IN operator. So the query reads as follows: it select all rows from the marks table where the mark is in, or where the mark is equal to any of the given variables in the column. So what happens is, I'm asking for marks where a mark is either 65, 55 or 85. And if I just execute this query, you can see that all the results that we got here, it's either the mark is equal to any of the three values in our in statement. So the NOT operator is used to give us the opposite result. So what happened is, if I say select all records from the marks table where marks not in, so what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting the results where the mark is not in any of these values. So if I just execute that, you can see that the results that I got here, it's not equal to any of the given values here in the IN operator. So the NOT operator, it gives us the opposite of the result. So you can use the NOT operator with almost each and every condition. So you can do things such as let's say select all marks from table where our mark is not null. So you can do things like that, and it will give you all the marks where your mark column is not null. Or you can also do stuff like let's say give me all the records from marks where not mark is equal to 85. So what I'm expecting now is, it should give me all the marks, but it should not give me the mark where the mark is equal to 85. So if I execute this, you can see that it gave me all these records, and all the results here, they are not equal to 85. So like I said, the NOT operator, it gives you the opposite of the results. You can use it with things such as not like not in between when you're testing for dates. You can use it with pretty much everything. So there's not much to talk about when it comes to the NOT operator. You just have to know that it gives you the negative for the opposite result. So that is pretty much it about the NOT operator. So if you guys have watched this far, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.